Yes, yung question ko ay para sa Will Bea. Ayan, Will Bea. Siyempre yung Thai original nito ay sila Mario at saka si Davika. So, kumusta kayo? Napanood nyo ba yung original, yung Thai original version, and how did you incorporate your own style as Will Bea dito sa local adaptation natin ng PMAC?
Ako po napanood ko po siya way back pa talaga, 2004 ba? 4 ba nung lumabas mismo? Mga high school pa po ako. And pinanood ko po siya ulit, para mapanood niyo din ulit. Ano yung first time ang panood, no?
High school ka, 2004?
Hindi, kasi pinanood natin ulit.
Oo.
So para mapanood niya.
So
So,
magkasama kayo ng manood.
hindi sa... Sabay lang yung play. 1, 2, 3. Ganon.
Okay.
So yun, sa akin naman po parang very Will Bea na kasi yung from Jisoo to Love You Lots, yung parang yearning ng male lead sa female lead. So parang yearner. So parang I think lalabas at lalabas talaga doon yung the usual Will Bea na troupe na nakikita nila sa mga projects namin. And siguro dito mas mas medyo lutang yung, di ba? Mas siya, mas poppy pa yung feeling. Mas Labrador energy pa yung nilalabas ni Mac.
Siyempre ito, one of the highest grossing films ng Thailand noong late 2000s. May pressure ba on your part? Kayo ang gaganap ng local Mario and Davika?
Siyempre po, kasi kahit naman hindi adaptation, kahit anong bagong proyekto, there's always pressure kasi wala ka naman talagang kasiguraduhan di ba? Parang hanggat hindi pa napapanood, hanggat hindi mo naririnig yung feedback ng supporters, ng viewers, the pressure will always be there. Especially doing this project na it's the highest grossing Thai film. And other countries did an adaptation as well, di ba? And the fact nga na meron po akong mga kaibigang Thai, mini-message ako, you're doing PMAC. So ibig sabihin, the fact na nakakarating sa kanila, na gagawin natin yung isa sa mga pinakasikat at top grossing film nila, di ba? The pressure will always be there. But aside from the pressure, siguro po yung excitement at as well as yung gratefulness to Viva for trusting us and for giving us the chance to be part of this very exciting project na talagang it's an honor to be part of this project and be working with these incredible people, di ba? And syempre, we just hope for the best, of course. And we also want, of course, to make our country proud, di ba? We also want na since it's the highest grossing Thai film of all time, we also want the Philippine version to receive so much love and yung talagang mainit na pagsuporta rin po. Ayun po.
Excited na kami. Congratulations everyone. Thank you.